Tyree loser, sneeze. You are by far, the biggest pussy on the planet. And a lying piece of crap pussy at that. You literally on here trying to tell this girl to come back to you. You would take her back only if she'd say this, and that to you. Apologize. And then you would take her back. On top of take her back, you keep saying, my girlfriend is my girl. She don't want you, man. What else she gotta do, man? You lie through your teeth. I mean, what else did this woman gotta do, man? It's like, it's to a point where, bro, this world we probably just wanted to see you get hurt or something. You don't gotta talk no more. And don't gotta keep trying to act like Ashley did everything wrong and she needed to apologize. But you were sitting here begging her to come back to you. But she tried to do this and do that to you. You see how much sense that make? None. So you oh man, I never seen that before. I really never seen or heard something like that. So stupid and dumb. And you're literally begging, bro. Begging. It's right here. Sorry about that, people. But you, bro, you're on live begging. Literally begging somebody to come back to you. You're the man of her dreams. I mean, man, that's what me with you, man. You ain't nothing but a liar, man. Where do you and Charlie get this and blah get this in your brain that it is okay to lie about y'all being able to do this, do that, got money, this? I mean, where are you getting at this crap from? Nobody think that of any one of y'all. Any one of y'all. I mean, good Lord. I mean, girl, you just you just got a little short set. I mean, it's just like y'all. I mean, I just don't get it. I just didn't get it. Why do people put up with you, man? You ain't worth it. You ain't worth a dime, bro. It's like you find new ways to top the looseness in you the other day. You top it the next day. Nobody wants you, bro. She don't want you, man. Get it through your pea-sized brain of yours. You're not a catch. You're not the man of the dreams. You ain't none of that to her. Because if you were so beautiful and so this and that, do you really think it would take her this long to say yes? And she said no 55 times probably. You just want to just keep asking her. Like, he's beg and begging. You think it's cute. It's not cute, bro. You're begging a woman that wants absolutely nothing to do with you. Because you ain't nothing but a liar, a pussy, a wannabe, thug, and she knows that you are none of that. She knows that you are just a complete loser that just don't understand it. Just don't understand why people call you a complete loser. Case in point, you don't even know me. You don't know what I look like. But since for some reason though, I know that you're a good idiot. I know that you're a good idiot and a loser. That just keep giving. Bro, you just dumb. Dumb, 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 dumb. I mean, it's just like you're just a terrible, terrible, terrible person. And terrible person to me, you're just not that bright. You bow. Whew. Man. Man, oh man. So Tyree, I just had to say it to you, bro. You're just something else, man. Something else, man, that just don't understand the meaning of you ugly. You're not cute. You're an ugly dude that don't get no attention. You're a loser, bro. Losers don't win. Losers don't win. That's why you're a loser. That's why they say you're a loser. You're a loser. So, get over it, man. You're not getting her. Yeah, so just walk her.